Hi friends, today I present to you the sales analysis report based on Adventure Works dataset. Alright, we're going to see the summarized dashboard, okay, and then we'll be moving on, we'll be seeing about product analysis, we'll be seeing analysis based on customer, and we'll be seeing the individual detailed sales register. All right, let's get started with this summarized dashboard. Here we get to see the total cost, total sales, total profit, profit margin, total orders. Okay, and here we get to see the analysis based on year wise. We got to see 2015 analysis, so entire dashboard gets visualized based on the year 2015. You can check out 2016, and here we have likewise we get to see total sales based on categories. We get to see total orders based on category wise, accessories, bike, clothing. We get to see order versus return count, what products were returned in the entire 2016 years, I beg your pardon, 2016 years. Okay, total sales versus total profit year wise. Here we get to see the cumulative sales analysis for 2016 year. All right, we can move on to a focus mode where we get to see that our performance was low as compared to 2015. Similarly here our profit margin, we can analyze our profit margin for 2016. 2016 is the blue one, and we are comparing that with 2015, last year's profit margin. We are doing reasonably well. Somewhere down the line into December 2016, the profit margin starts to narrow down, and we see in 2016 the profit margin, okay, so starts to has a minor decline trend, we can see over here. All right, so here we can have a monthly KPI based on monthly sales, monthly order, monthly profit, monthly returns. All right, we can check it out on month to month basis as well. You see 1.1 million as what we did for the current monthly sales, and our goal was for the previous month 1.03, that we set a goal on a monthly basis. So that's how we done a reasonable well increase month on month sales figure. We have a 10% increase. Let's likewise we get to analyze the entire profit, sales, and order, and as well as monthly return. So let's see, here we see total sales based on country wise. Okay, we get to see our top product by total profit. Okay, what are our top product by profit, and top product by total order number. Okay, similarly 2017 we get to see the entire scenario till June 2017. Here we can see profit margins are on a declining trend since March, and as compared to last year 2015's profit, we are performing we are performing below the trend as when compared to 2015 profit margin. But sales wise we can see here we have done fairly good, by sales revenue. Okay, but there's a dip in profit margin over here. All right, let's quickly move on to product details. We can we see here top 5 products by total sales. We see top 5 products by total profit. We see top 5 product by total orders. Okay, so anywhere we can filter based on our various categories. We want to see based on bikes, so we can see on bike. We can see, we want to see on clothing. We can see on clothing. The entire dashboard is interactively available for everyone to analyze the entire data. Here you can filter based on individual. Again, you can filter based on individual year-wise numbers. You get to see The product wise return trend here we can see. Okay, fairly you can for 2017 you can filter the numbers based on country wise. You get to see the top product sales wise, profit wise in Australia. All right, similarly you can see you get to see the analysis based on product returns. You get to see the number top five products that are returned based on the quantity, water bottles and cycle mountain tires, and likewise you get to see the number wise return product quantities wise. You get to see the numbers. You get to see the return rate based on top five products. Okay, you get to see top five subcategories, return quantity. So it's the entire product wise analysis. You can get it, and you get to see by you can slice and dice by year wise. You want to see country wise. You want to see by category and subcategory wise. So you can filter out by any way you want to get the insight on the product data. So let's quickly move to the customer side. We get to see again the same parameters we are here. We can filter, slice and dice based on year wise. You can slice and dice based on the country, category and subcategory wise. You get to see the sales and profit numbers based on uh, the total sales, top sales performing customer. Here we have total sales. Maurice Chan is the top uh, revenue generator for us in the sense of customer. Okay, get we get to see here top five customer by total sales. We get to see top five customer by total profit. Here we can analyze our sales data country wise as well. We get to see here total sales. Top performing country is United States. Okay, you get to see total profit, profit margin. You get to see, you can filter based on country wise. You click on the map and you get to see the analysis based on country wise. All right, so that's about it. You get to see individual. If you want, if the user wants to see detailed sales register, you get to see the entire sales register over here for detailed sales report, sales details. Okay, again you can filter based on individual year wise. Okay, yeah, you get to see the numbers based on year wise. You get to see filtration by country wise. The entire sales register gets filtered by the various parameters available here. So that's it, my friends. This is the sales analysis report what I have developed in Power BI. Hope you like it. I welcome your feedbacks and comments or any suggestion for any further improvements. Thank you very much.